Welcome to our tutorial, Current Trend Topics in Power Monitoring. My name is Melina Hagelauer. I am a business developer for the go-to-market approach of energy distribution systems. In this tutorial, we will look at the new developments in the field of power monitoring and identify what consequences there are for the tendering and selection of measurement technology. The low-voltage energy distribution is undergoing a transformation. In addition to the main function, so of course the safe and reliable distribution of electricity, further topics such as transparency and efficiency are becoming increasingly important for the operator. All of this is based on power monitoring. It is therefore necessary to know the current trends and their consequences in this area to plan and implement optimally for the operator. But now, of course, the question arises, what are the current trend topics in power monitoring? Basically, we see 5 trends that influence the design and possibilities within the framework of power monitoring. With renewable energies, the number of prosumer installation is also continuously increasing. This results in special requirements for the measurement systems. For example, with regard to the documentation or also billing of a measurement. Dependent on the country, there exist also legal regulations, like in Germany, the third-party quantity delimitation. Within a platform, for example, the Centron Pack multifunction meters, the functions are becoming more and more differentiated and specific. This primarily means that the product range is of course becoming larger. But in addition, existing low-voltage protection devices such as the 3WA open circuit breakers, are being expanded to include measuring functions. On the software side, there are also several different systems which are often focused on different industries or applications. These software-based systems can be limited to one plant or one location, so that the data is only available in the intranet. These locally based solutions are then called on-premise. The counterpart to local data processing are cloud-based applications. Here we observe a strong increase as well. The advantage is that the data is being stored and analyzed across locations. This also offers room for new possibilities, such as a power monitoring as a service approach. Finally, we see that new technologies, especially in the area of micro and nano computing, are setting the foundation for a new generation of devices. These are found especially in the IoT and edge environment and enable a combination of metering and visualization by means of a data concentrator. An example of this is the Power Center 3000, which enables data collection, storage, and visualization of measured values from the connected devices or sensors. In addition, the transmission of data to a cloud application, such as the PowerMind, can be easily realized. Based on these developments, certain consequences can be derived for the field of power monitoring. There is a wide range of opportunities, such as better scalability and reduction of so-called blind consumption spots. In addition, the transparency of different parts of the system can be increased by cleverly combining individual components into an overall system. Thus, cost advantages can be achieved. Not only the measurement alone is decisive for this, but also the combination of measured values to determine other energy performance indicators, such as the energy consumption per square meter. By using the measurement function within a protective device, named integrated measurement, additional added values such as condition monitoring can be created. On the other side, we also identified some risks. If the knowledge of the portfolio and the technical possibilities is lacking, cost disadvantages and problems with implementation in terms of compatibility and complexity can arise. Of course, increasing interconnectivity leads to certain risks, for example, in the area of cybersecurity. Concepts that minimize these risks, such as the defense in depth concept, are therefore essential. The focus should always be on the overall system and the application. If you do this, make sure that the devices are based on certain standards. Furthermore, multi-stage planning should be used, and dedicated cost analysis can create benefits. Essential is the point that technologies should be mixed to gain as much information as possible in a cost-efficient way. Only in this way, this entire breadth of technical possibilities can be used and numerous advantages can be achieved with regard to efficiency, maintenance, and service. Further information, such as our white papers and the webinar on power monitoring, can be found on our homepage. In these, the trends are being explained in even more detail, and in addition to application examples, you will also find tips and tricks for the optimal selection of measurement technology. Everything that helps you easily realize a future-proof power monitoring system.